Welcome to what's in CHEM 131 content. CHEM 131 content contains lots of things, but it's very much like having a chemistry teacher on demand. Here you'll find chapter overviews, all of your assignments that are due before class, the preparation guides and preparation quizzes. You'll also find the problem sets that we work on in discussion class. The exams, until we can meet in person in the classroom, are here. And all of the supplemental material for this course that I prepared for you will also be here. So those are handouts and diagrams and charts and pictures and videos and links and any additional problems from a variety of resources that are there are all there for you 24/7. So let's take a look at what's inside CHEM 131 content. We'll start by reminding you that CHEM 131 content is accessible from the left-hand menu. And remember that the color of each of the modules, each of these little sections here, relates to the exam that material goes with. So red is for exam 1, blue for exam 2, orange for exam 3, purple for exam 4, pink for exam 5. There's a special aqua section for our CHEM 131 project, and the final exam has its own section in black at the very end. So let's go back to the beginning and take a look inside. What does it look like inside one of these modules, inside one of these little chapters? The first page of every chapter is going to look very much like this one. It will have course objectives, so those are directly from the syllabus. It will have a chart of key points. So these are things that you should memorize if there's anything there. Terms that you should know and understand, and skills or things that you should be able to do and demonstrate. And then lastly, in the overview section, there'll be a list of pages that are in the course module. So those are the pages that as you scroll through the different pages or use the table of contents, you'll be able to access. What I want you to note right now is that the assignments and assessments, preparation guides, and the quizzes have that noted in red for you to help you kind of find those easier and stay on top of that. And then most chapters will have an FYI section at the very bottom in green. And these are just sort of interesting related information. It's not a part of the curriculum. So thank you for joining me on a tour of CHEM 131 content in our CHEM 131 Blackboard site. See you soon.